Hey, curious cats! It's your intergalactic host, Kitty, reporting from the far side of science. Today's question might sound a little meowsical. Does the moon really ring like a bell? I mean, are we talking ding-dong or boom-thump? To help us crack this cosmic riddle, I've invited a very special guest. She's a lunar seismologist, a NASA space catronaut, and rumor has it, she once did karaoke with a comet. Please welcome Dr. Celestina Paws.
Pleasure to be here, Kitty. And for the record, the comet hit a high note.
Okay, Dr. Paws, let's get right to it. People say the moon rang like a bell when astronauts landed on it. Is that true, or just a loony lunar legend?
A classic tale from Apollo 12. When the astronauts dropped part of their lunar module onto the moon's surface, the seismic instruments recorded vibrations that lasted over an hour. Not exactly a bell chime, more like a metallic hum or deep echo.
So it doesn't yell, "Dinner's ready," but maybe whispers, "Boom."
Exactly. It happens because the moon's insides are super dry and rigid. On Earth, we have a squishy, molten outer core that absorbs shock. But the moon? It's like hitting a solid rock, it just keeps shaking.
Aha, so it's not hollow, just echoey?
Right. Some fun conspiracy theories suggested it's hollow, but nope. It's solid, layered, and very, very dense.
Wait, you said the moon has layers? Like a space onion?
Something like that. There's a crust, rocky and dusty. Then a thick mantle. And deep, deep inside, a tiny iron core. Not hot and bubbling like Earth's, but frozen. That's why scientists call it a cold, dead bell.
Poor moon, all alone, cold-hearted, and ringing softly into the void.
But mysterious and beautiful. And that's not all. Have you ever heard of the far side of the moon?
Oh yes, the dark side? Is it filled with alien cats and secret cheese factories?
Not quite. It's not actually dark. It gets sunlight just like the near side, but it's always facing away from Earth. Because of tidal locking, we only see one face of the moon. The other side remained a mystery, until spacecraft mapped it.
Let me guess, the other side doesn't have a giant laser?
Just lots of craters. But who knows? Maybe a few cosmic cat footprints.
So let's summarize. The moon rings because it's solid and dry. It's not hollow, but it does have a frozen heart. And the far side? Not evil, just introverted.
Perfectly put, Kitty. The moon may seem quiet, but it has stories to tell if we know how to listen.
And lucky for us, we've got cosmic kitties like you to translate.
Thank you, Kitty. Always happy to decode the moon's meows. It's always a blast to orbit your podcast.
Thanks, Dr. Celestina Paws, and thanks to you, listeners. If this episode rang your bell, hit that subscribe button, and as always,
Stay curious, not furious.